Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do. I actually have some PR from a few different companies, and I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing and explaining what everything is, and I even have a few coupon codes for you guys in case you want to buy anything yourselves. So if you're a curious little bee like me, just stick around and you'll see what I got from all these great companies. Alright, so one of the first things I got was from chicwishlist.com, and they have a lot of nice things on their website. They're a little expensive, but I have a 70% off coupon code with them. It's valk70 for 70% off. And I got two things from them, one of them free, the other I paid for at a discounted price because I thought it was really pretty. So the first thing I got from them is this really pretty necklace that hopefully you can see in the camera. Really pretty. And you know, it's choker style, so you just wear it like that. I don't know what I'm going to do with these really long strings though. That's my only complaint about this, I'd have to say. But maybe you could cut them and then tie it accordingly how you need it. And the next thing I got from Chic Wishlist was this little dainty necklace, but it's like 3 layers together. Down all the way down here at the bottom is the evil eye, and then it's just some blue detailing, and then just a little thing that hangs across, and it's like a little 3-layered one. So that's chicwishlist.com, and I have a coupon code for 70% off, and I'll be sure to write that all in the description down below for you guys. So to stick with jewelry, the next company that sent me something that's really beautiful that I have been wearing, and it is on my Instagram profile if you go and scroll back a few photos, is from shopoliveandrose.com, and I got this really pretty gold bar necklace from them. This is what it looks like. So obviously it's gold, like I said, and it just has like some like little marble detailing right there in the middle. Really pretty, really dainty. And they also sent me a really cute little card. This is what it looks like. They wrote a cute little note in there. Really cute little thank you card, and it says, "Welcome, we are excited to have you as a brand ambassador for Olive and Rose, and one of my perks are I have a 15% off code for my followers, and I believe that is just valantoukefalas. And again, for a fact, I will have it listed all down below in the description box." Now, moving away from jewelry, this is something more holistic, and it's from a company called Of Earth and Hearth. Right there. Hopefully I'm covering all the important information, like my address. And they even wrote, you know, fragile because there's something that's glass in here. So this is a more natural, holistic company, and I believe that they sent me 2 things, which was very kind of them. So the first thing they sent me, by the way, this was wrapped. I was really excited when I got it, so I kind of just ripped it open and I put everything back in the box, all nice for you guys. So this is the Fit Feet Fizzy Foot Soak, I believe. Yeah, Fit Feet Fizzy Foot Soak. And I think this is really cute packaging, as I showed you before already. And it comes with this little like spoon thing that you could take out because it has a holder here, so when you take out the stuff, it makes it easier. I think it's really cute. This gets an A+ for packaging in my opinion. So the way to use this is you sprinkle a generous handful into a container of warm water and you soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you dry thoroughly and apply a rich cream or a massage oil. So this is basically just like an at-home little pamper thing for your feet, but it's natural. And some of the ingredients are oat flour, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, Epsom salt, shea butter, unperfumed soap, peppermint essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and lavender essential oil. So really nice, really cool, really not that expensive. I do have a coupon code for you guys as well. It is my Instagram handle, so valantou_k, again down in the description box below, of earthandhearth.com. And then the other thing I got from them is a Stress Away Lotion Bar, and this is the packaging that it comes in. And then I have not taken this out yet, but to use, it says apply to hands, feet, or body to soothe and smooth. The ingredients are almond oil, beeswax, coconut oil, lavender essential oil, rose geranium essential oil, lang lang essential oil, vetiver essential oil, and rose damask essential oil. So again, like the instructions say, I'm assuming you don't need to wet it. It's a lotion bar, so you can kind of just take it out and start using it if that's what you want. And actually I'm trying to get it out and it's proving difficult because I feel it. Well, as you could see, most likely that stuff is coming off on my arms, so I It smells really good though. So again, 15% off coupon code down below. It's my Instagram handle, valantouke, ofearthandhearth.com. Really cool, really natural stuff if that's what you're into, and they are slowly but surely adding more things to their website. So it's really cool. And again, everything's very affordable in my opinion for natural and organic things. Last but certainly not least is a cute little PR package that I got from On the Fly hair company. Well, hair and body company, I should say. And I would just put my hand there so I could cover my address so no one can, you know, see it and whatnot. This is a cute little thank you card on here. And they actually gave me quite a few goodies. If you can, I can show you this without dumping everything. So I'll be sure to talk about everything that's in here. So just to talk about the largest thing that they gave me, since it's the most obvious thing that they gave me. So this is their Instant Replay Dry Shampoo. And it is sulfate, sodium chloride, and paraben free. And the best thing about On the Fly is that all their products are TSA approved and travel ready. So that's a really cool thing. And you're getting, you know, they have, for some of their products, in my experience, they have some sizes that are not TSA approved, but then they also have ones that are TSA approved. And I find that's a big problem with a lot of some of my favorite products, is that I like it, but then they're not TSA approved, and then I have to take a whole huge bottle, where instead, like this, I like this dry shampoo, I've used it already, I've used it before, and I know I like it, and it does what it claims, and I can just take it with me. I don't have to take one that's 7 fluid ounces because this one's only 3. Just to stick with hair, they also gave me a little trio set. And let's pull these out and see what we got to work with. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out is something that I already have. I actually have it in their old packaging that was pink. This is their leave-in balm. They have it called as a beauty balm, which I believe it won the 2018 Shorty Awards, which is really cool because they're not that huge of a company yet. And it's their Miracle Leave-In Hair Repair. For wet styling, you can apply to clean, damp hair before styling for a silky smooth blowout. For dry styling, which is what I use it for, is you apply to dry hair to eliminate frizz and combat dryness, smooth ends, or to define texture. That's what it's used for. I always use it, especially down here, because I get a lot of split ends and it looks really frizzy. My most favorite thing about this product is that it smells like cotton candy. It smells so ridiculously good. It's insane. I love the smell of this. If you want your hair to smell great, and it will help make it, like, you know, look more alive, and, you know, you won't see your split ends that bad, this is like a must have. This is one of my favorite hair care products ever that I have in my arsenal. And then the next 2 things that they sent me, I believe, are for curly hair, which I do happen to have, but I always have it straight for the most part because I like it better. So this is their Beach Spray Curl and Wave Enhancer. And what this is, the directions are: spray evenly through damp hair from root to tip, and you let your hair dry naturally or heat dry on low setting, gently molding waves and curls into shape. And then the next thing that you can use in conjunction with this is their Beach Balm Curl and Wave Cream. And this is what it looks like. It's to define texture for frizz-free beachy waves and curls, and the directions are: distribute evenly through damp hair from root to tip and let hair dry naturally or heat dry on low setting, gently molding waves and curls. So I think these are really cool things for any curly haired girls or wavy haired girls, is that let's say you go to the beach or the pool and you get your hair wet, have one of these with you and you can kind of mold them better. It's like having a little small easy product instead of taking like your large mousse. Because I know that was always my problem, because I get my hair wet when I go. I like to enjoy myself if I'm at a pool or the beach. And I don't like my natural curls. So these I'm actually really excited to try out because I have not tried these out yet. And then the last 2 things that I got from On the Fly is this little Face It spray. It's a hydrating mist and a hair mist, and it has mineral SPF booster. So it says, quench the skin, calm the senses, soak in the benefit of green tea mixed with a medley of extracts that will vitalize and improve the cellular energy of the skin. And to use, it says light mist on the face. And I believe you could also do a light mist over this in your hair. So this is kind of almost like a setting spray, but not for your makeup. Just a little spritz, a little healthy glow on the skin. And then the last thing I got, which I have been using this, is their Glossify Lip Balm. I love this thing. I believe they have claims that if you use it repetitively, like 3 times a day for like a certain amount of time, that it makes your lips a little plumper. I don't use it that often to know that. Can I open this? Yes, I can. It smells very minty and citrusy, and it's such a nice scent. Hydrates my lips very well, especially when they're dry. I really recommend this product as well. I also do have a coupon code from onthefly.com, and that would be VAL20 for 20% off. Again, I'll make sure I have everything listed down in the description bar below. And that's it for today's video. So just to sum up the video as a whole, because I felt like I had a lot going on, I got things from chicwishlist.com, I got things from shopoliveandrose.com, and then ofearthandhearth.com, and then lastly ontheflyhaircare.com, which I all have coupon codes for, which will all be listed in the description bar down below. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you, and before you leave, please be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.